Hello, how are you? Fine? Excellent. Today we are going to continue practicing spelling. Here we go. Open your book to page 41, spelling lesson 3. Okay? We have dictation. It's the dictation time. Okay, you have 12 rows here, but you just going to write 10 words, okay? So you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 until 10, okay? Just 10 words. Are you ready? Yes? Okay, pay attention. Listen and write.
Lesson 3. The words you will hear are not necessarily in the same order as the ones in the book. Watch out for the missing word. Visors. Visors. Burrows. Burrows. Squeeze. Squeeze. Surface. Surface. Capsule. Capsule. Somersault. Somersault. Overshoes. Overshoes. Astronauts. Astronauts. Oxygen. Oxygen. Hoses. Hoses.
Okay, I know that you did a great job. But if you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. And remember, your attitude determines your direction. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye-bye.